The Hogle Zoo, Zoofari Express. Couple things to take care of before we get going. Please remain seated while the train's in motion and keep all arms, legs, tails, wings, antlers, claws in the engine room. And as we make our way out of the station, on your left, you'll be able to see the largest exhibit here at the Hogle Zoo, our African Savannah. Our African Savannah is a mixed species exhibit, which means that we house a couple of different types of animals here. These animals include our zebras, warthogs, ostrich, guinea fowls, and our giraffes. We're now passing under Killyon Terrace, and it's not the key to the giraffe. Up on our right, you may see the side of our lions just lying about. We have 3 females and 2 males. In the wild, the females go on hunting while the males stay behind to protect their territories. And I'm not lying. Also on your right are the meerkats. Meerkats have been a group called a fauna. Some of the law will stay outside, making sure there's no predators, while the others dig tunnels and scavenge for food. Meerkats get most of the liquids that they need from eating bugs. So as long as there's enough food and space, there could be up to 50 meerkats in a single pond. The little gray birds on the savannah are our guinea fowl. Guinea fowl can't fly, they just prefer not to. They like to run around and make a lot of noise, not just because it's fun, but they're also known as nature's security system. If anything ever happens, they run around and warn all the other animals, like our giraffes. We have 2 giraffes. Their names are Mika and Stephanie. Did you know a giraffe has the same amount of bones in its neck as a human does? They also only need about 30 minutes to 2 hours of sleep a day. And on our right, you'll be able to see our ostrich yellow poking his head up over the fence. He shares the smaller barn with our zebras. Our warthogs and guinea fowls stay under the big of the terrace, while our 2 giraffes, Mika and Stephanie, use the larger barn. Around all the exhibits here at the Hogle Zoo, you'll see some toys and other things scattered around. This is called enrichment. We give our animals enrichment so that they don't get bored in their day-to-day lives. Enrichment can be as simple as a cardboard box or as complicated as a puzzle. And as we make our way across the bridge into the Wild West, you'll be able to see a little mining town. Which I was covered in little mining town, just off of Cook Steve's town down there. A lot of mining towns became abandoned though when the ore veins started to dry up. Well, back in the day, a lot of miners were only going to easily accessible ores near the surface. Once those were all gone, a lot of them would pack up and move away. Some of the things you can mine for here in Utah are magnesium metal, copper, iron, silver, and of course my favorite, sweet gold. This little white building on our left is home to a few of our raptors. The one on the far left is a red-tailed hawk named Artemis. And as we make our way through the tunnel, make your loud sample sound. Passing by Fort Woody, it's very deep for trains at night. The engineer currently on his name's Jerry. He's been with us for 52 years. I guess you could say Jerry's getting a little geriatric. Jerry's a great train. He always helps me stay on track. We're going to be passing by our cousin Steve's mining town again, complete with a smooth graveyard. We're the best of the best stores of the West have been laid to rest. And speaking about works of the West, a lot of outlaws were hide out in the abandoned mines, so there'd be no one in there. Well, looks it for me, that is. Look for that sweet gold. Make sure he waves goodbye to my cousin Steve down there. He thinks he's found gold, but all he's found is iron pyrite. And as we all know, that's fool's gold. And as we make our way back to the station, Please remain seated till the train is come to a complete stop, then exit on your left towards the Savannah. I hope you've enjoyed your train ride today. My name is Tristan, but if you haven't, then it would be Richard. Remember to stay seated till the train is come to a complete stop, then exit on your left.
Show me your knife.
Exit on your left and have a wonderful rest of your day.